All right, welcome back to another portfolio update. You guys can see the market. Well, the market is closed now, and we are negative 598 for today, and after hours minus 222. It's been kind of a crazy week and a half. So let's take a look at what happened here. So the past week, down 44.75. 1 month, 39.48. 3 months, we're still positive, so that's good. 644. Year to date, 2953. 1 year mark, 4209. And overall, we're still up 15,361. Okay, so most of you guys are back to see what happened due to last week's craziness. I'm going to give you guys an update on all my options and my dividend totals for the month of July. It is a little late on the video, but we're going to get into it. So, all right, so let's get into the options. If you guys saw the last video, I had NVIDIA option put and a put on Google. I was assigned Google early. Instead of Friday, I was assigned on Thursday at 180 strike. So now we're in a little bit of a pickle here. So you guys can see I was forced to buy 100 shares at 180. We are down 2271. I did buy this obviously with some margin and some cash. So I am paying a little bit of margin interest, and I'll show you guys that. So we're stuck with Google right now. As far as NVIDIA, let's go back to NVIDIA here. Here is the NVIDIA option. So this one, I was able to roll it yesterday, and I rolled it to the end of August. So it's August 30th. You can see there the date. And I was able to drop the strike from, I think we were at 114. We are down to 105, which is better. But NVIDIA was good today, and we were fine. And then there we go again. So we're down right now. So we don't want to own NVIDIA at 105, but I have until the end of August on that one. So yeah, so we're down pretty good on that. And I'll show you guys what I'm doing with my margin here. So daily interest, you can see right there, $1.92. I do owe collateral. Let's see, margin used 11,223. So as dividends come in to this portfolio as payments, it goes into the margin used, I believe. I'm pretty sure. So then it gets used to pay that back. So the interest is not bad. It's $2 a day, $60 a month. So we're going to make more than that on dividends and options. So we're okay with that. But I want to get out of that as quick as I can. I also I bought a call on Amazon. This one's for September 20th at a strike of 190. It was good for like a day, but now we're down $100 on it. So I only spent 170. So $170. I'm down $100, but we have until practically 2 months right now, maybe a month and a half left. So it's not a big deal on that one. And also, I'll get into the details of the other options, but let's get into the dividend income that's been coming in. So I know a lot of you guys want to see how much I made on dividends. So let's get into the detailed dividends for the month of July. I'm just going to go really quick, but I'm going to give you guys a detail. So the first payment, was that the first payment? Yeah. All right, first payment was UGI, 21 shares, 788. QYLD, 320, 53.95. SCHD, 48 shares, 39.56. JEPQ, 37 shares, 15.58. That's every month. JEPI, 173, 57.11. I think the dividend dropped on this one a little bit. This is the yield max for Microsoft, 5 shares, $1.95. This is the yield max for Tesla, which is sucking right now. 60 shares, but they paid a lot. They paid $1, so it's $60.31. Altria, 38 shares, 37.24. AGNC, 40 shares, $4.80. Main Street, 10 shares, 245. Stag, 45 shares, 555. Realty Income, 86 shares, 2262. PSEC, 140 shares, 840. SPHD, 47 shares, 635. They don't pay that much, but they don't move actually. QYLD again, 320, 5677. FEPI, 10 shares, 1089. And the last one, ARR, 10 shares, 240, for a total of 385.93. So we almost got to 400 bucks on dividend this month, thanks to QYLD paying twice. So we'll see how it goes next month. Verizon has already paid, AT&T, JEPI paid, JEPQ paid, and then we have these ones coming in. These are all pending. There's going to be more, obviously, and I'll show you guys at the end of the month this month. All right, so let's get into the options. How did we do on options? I'll give you guys a little snapshot of what's going on. It's positive, but it's been, it's not good this past few weeks. But we'll get back on that. But let's get into the options so you guys can see what I've been doing. So this is July, and I'll give you guys a total as well. So did a Chewy one. That was a call there. I spent 61, sold it really quick. I kind of want to get out of it, so I made $4. So we had $4 there. Then I got out of a GameStop put that I paid a lot. Actually, I made more, but I paid 360 to get out, so that's a negative. So we're negative there. Nvidia 78, a GME call $3, a Tesla put 129, Enphase $9. We had Robinhood $10. A Google put, that's the one that cost me the 18,000. So we made 315 bucks on it. We ended up owning the shares. Now we're negative $2,000. So we'll get back. We'll get out of that one eventually. GameStop, I rolled the GameStop one, made $4. Nvidia put 114, AMC $2. GameStop call $5. Nvidia roll made $45. That's when I rolled once. A Google roll, I made $3. And that's about it. Okay, so for July, the total was 361. So for the month, about 700 and something. Not bad. And then you guys can take a look at August. I had a DoorDash call that I paid 670. There's the Google put that was assigned early. I rolled Nvidia again, minus 13 bucks. But keep an eye on the DoorDash one, okay? So the Amazon, that was the one I spent. So the DoorDash, I sold it for 800. So that made 130 bucks. Not bad. And then I rolled Nvidia, made $3. So I think right now with that, which one was negative here? The Amazon. Yeah, the Amazon's negative. DoorDash was positive. And then the Google one. I got to get out of the Google, guys. Eventually we'll get out. I'm going to try to sell calls on it, but there's no money in it right now. You guys know what I'm talking about. I'll show you guys. So let's say we want to sell next week's call at a minimum of 180. We want our money back. It's $4, $4 to $6. It's nothing. So if we push it back up to like August 30th, 25 bucks. Should I do that? I don't know. Let me know. Put it in the comments. Should we sell a call on our Google for 32 bucks? I'm going to lose more money with the interest than what I'm making on the call on these. I just have to sell it on a day that's not red. So on a green day, hopefully we can sell a call, or I can take a loss, sell at, let's say next week. Oh, that's nothing. Look at that. Take a $500 loss, make 10 bucks. Nope. $1,000 loss, make 32. No. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Did I make the wrong move? I got to sign Google. I still have to get out of the Nvidia one. So hopefully Nvidia comes back up. we can get out. It's not, kind of stuck in it right now. But like I said, guys, be careful with margin. If you're going to do this, what I'm doing, make sure you do it on stocks you don't mind owning. I don't mind owning Google. But with all of this stuff going on in the world and the markets and everything, who knows what's going to happen the next few months? We can have another big crash. I don't know. Or huge gains. We had good gains this morning. Yesterday it was pretty good and then it just dipped. So I don't know. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all the new subs, all the likes, all the comments. Please keep it going. Let me know if these videos are boring. If you guys want to see something different, let me know. I'll try to change it up. All right, guys. I'll talk to you on the next one. Thanks.